What is sound category? Sound category is a category where you will find all the blocks related to sound. This is our first block, that is play sound dash until done. Means whenever we will click it, it will play a specific sound which is chosen. So when I will click it, it will play a sound of a cat, that is meow. As you listened, it was a sound of a cat. So now, as we have this specific category for code, costumes, we also have it for sounds. So we'll click on it, and here's that category. So when you click on this bottom left button, you will find this page where you will find many sounds. So there also we have categories. These are the categories. So now if you want to preview them, so here's a button. It's a play button which you can use to preview any sound. So when I drag my mouse over it, it will play the sound. I'll go into the loops category and you can also search the sounds, like I'll search cheer. So we have two sounds for it. To go back, you can simply click this button. Here you can edit your chosen sound. So suppose I'll go into this. First I'll tell you that it also has a pop-up menu like we have for sprites and backdrops. It also has. So here also same functions are there. It will choose a sound. You can record your own sound. It will surprise you by a sound like this, and you can also upload a sound. So as you can see, this is a surprised sound. So it's the sound of bubbles. Now if I want to edit this sound, so I can make it faster, slower, louder, softer, mute, fade in, fade out, reverse, and robotic. So we'll try them. To undo, we'll click on here. It will undo. We can also fade in, fade out. We'll make it undo again. Reverse, robotic. So it was fun. You can also name the sounds over here. You can copy them and you can paste it any other place, or to paste we can use this option. We can copy it to new, means if we click it, so there will be another sound, same sound, and we can also delete the part of sound. Like I want to delete this part, so I'll select it by clicking and dragging. I'll select delete. I can also copy it and then I'll paste it any other place. So this is how you edit the sounds and how you choose the sounds. Once you choose the sound, like I'm choosing a sound now, I'll go in loops and I'll choose this one. Once you choose the sound, you can go into code and then you can click this drag down option over here. This is the drag down option. Once you click it, you will get some options. Now that option will be the sounds which you have in your sound category, which you have chosen already, and another option will be last one, that will be record. So you can record your own sound. I'll show you how to do it. So to record a sound, we can go into the sounds category. We can drag our mouse over here and we can click on record. Here you will come, but first you have to give the permission to turn on your microphone, and once you do it, so you can click on record and it will record your sound. Like I'm recording my sound now. Hi, recording test. Hi, recording test. I'll stop the recording and then you can select the recording voice which you want to use. So now I don't want this part, so I can skip it. So now here I'll drag it and I want it fully over here. I'll edit it and then I have two options. I have three options. If I want to re-record, like it's not good, so I felt it's not good, so I can re-record it. I can play it, but the selected area will be not played. Hi. Then you can save it. So by saving it, it will come in your category and you can view it from here. Hi, recording test. Hi, recording test. I'll stop. So this is how you record an audio. Now we'll go in code Our next block is start sound dash. So I hope you got this block that it can play a sound. But what it actually does is it first completes the sound and then it can play the another sound. Like if I have this sound, that is the cat sound, and I'll take another block and I'll choose this sound, that is dance sitar. So first it will complete the first one block and then it will start this one, because it has said until done. So it will not play the both sounds together. It will play it one by one. Let's try it. So as you saw, this was its function. Now I'll go to start sound dash. Here what it does is it will play together. Like if I have this one and I have this one, so it will play together because it doesn't have the function for until done. That's why they will be played together. So let's try it. So as you saw, it was playing together. Now let's see our third block, that is stop all sounds. So if I click this block, that is stop all sounds, so it will stop all the sound there itself. It's a simple block. Then we have change pitch effect by dash, or you can also select another option, that is pan left or right. So now what this option does is it will pitch your voice. Pitch means it will make it thin. Now it can make your voice thin. Like if I have this sound, let's do it change pitch effect by 50. First we'll listen the original sound. So this is our original sound. Hi, recording test. Hi, recording test. I'll stop the recording. So as you saw, this was the original sound, and now if I run this block, then see. Hi, recording test. Hi, recording test. Stop the recording. So as you saw, it was changing the pitch. If I just put a normal number that is not an integer, so it changes your voice. Now the second effect is pan left or right. Means you'll hear the sound from your left ear or your right ear. So effect by, you can also change the effect, like if you wanted 50 or if you wanted 100, the value will change. That time only the panning will change. So if I do it 100, see. Hi, recording test. Hi, recording test. So I am hearing the voice from right side, but if I do it 0, so see. Hi, recording test. Hi, recording test. It's from between, and if I do it minus 100. Hi, recording test. Hi, recording test. So as you saw, what happened was if I put the value above 0, so you can hear the voice from right side, from your right ear. But if I put an integer, that is our subtract sign and then a number, that is minus dash number, so you will hear it from left side. But if you put 0, so you will hear it by your both ears. It was interesting. Now let's see set pitch. So as you saw in the looks category, there was also change and set block. It did the same work but by another way. So that type only we have set pitch and change pitch. I'll explain you again what it is. So what happens is when you change pitch effect by, or change any effect by dash number, so it will change it for temporary time. Like it will not set it, but it will change the clock. Like if you're going to a party, so you will wear nice clothes. But when you come after the party, you will wear your normal clothes. So that is known as changing. But if you're going to a party which is for whole day, so you will say, I'll set this cloth as my today's wear. So this is the difference. Like it will change your effect, but it will set your effect. This is temporary, which you can change, and this is permanent, which you can change, but it's for a permanent time. It's a long period of time. So I hope you understood the block. If you didn't understood, you can comment and I'll solve your doubt immediately. Then we have clear sound effects. Like if I have this pan left or right effect on my sound, but I again want to change it. I want the original sound again. So you can use this block, that is clear sound effects. Like we have clear graphic effects here. Like we have clear graphic effects that will clear your graphic effects. We have clear sound effects. So if you have pitch effect or pan left or pan right effect, so it will clear that sound effects. Then you can again change volume by 10. So you can do it minus 10, 10. I'll show you how it is. So change volume by minus 10. It will go low. Hi, recording test. And now if I do it 10. Hi, recording test. It was louder, right? Now if I do it minus 50. See. Hi, recording test. Hi, recording test. I'll stop the recording. Now if I do 50. Hi, recording test. It was louder, right? So again we have the change and set option which I told you just now. So that's it for today's video. Till then, bye.